Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently facing problems on your Instagram that you are not able to send message to anybody for 3 days and you want to be able to fix it? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you because actually me myself I had the exact same problem before and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to just go into your Instagram app like before and then you're going to go into your profile right here. So come into your profile and then what you're going to do, you're going to locate the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines in the top right corner. And now you should be able to get all of these options right here, as you can see, which is perfect. So what you're going to do now is to just simply click on settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Just going to take a couple of seconds to load and then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. Scroll down just a little bit and here, as you can see, and then we're just going to click where it says help, as you can see. So click on help. And in here, you're going to click on report a problem. And once again, report a problem. Click on include and continue. And now you should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now I wrote exactly like this to the Instagram support. And after that, I was able to fix it. So you're going to write like this. I was wrongfully taken away my opportunity to send people direct messages. I got a warning that I have to wait 3 days even though I didn't do anything wrong. I need this to be fixed. So you need to basically write like this to them. I was wrongfully taken away my opportunity to send people direct messages. I got a warning that I have to wait 3 days, even though I didn't do anything wrong. I need this to be fixed. So now click on send in the top right corner. And what you need to do now is to just wait like 1 to 2 hours and hopefully it will now be fixed for you as it was for me.